Today I shall discuss some numerical problem on IC engine. Problem 1. A gas engine working on Otto cycle has a cylinder diameter of 17.5 centimeter and stroke of meter. Clearance volume being it's given a gas engine working on Otto cycle. So it is working on Otto cycle engine, has a cylinder diameter is given, that is 17.5 centimeter. Stroke length is given, that is 25 centimeter. The clearance volume is 1475 centimeter cube. Find the air standard efficiency. As this engine is working on Otto cycle, so this standard efficiency is the air standard efficiency of Otto cycle. So given data are this engine working on Otto cycle. Now the cylinder diameter is given, diameter is 17.5 centimeter. The stroke length is given, stroke length is given 25 centimeter. The clearance volume is, what is clearance volume? This is the cylinder, this is a piston. This piston can move up to that. So if this is 0, this value will be V2. This is the clearance volume. This is clearance volume and this is swept volume. So this V2 is clearance volume, so I can write V2 equals to 1475 centimeter cube. Find the air standard efficiency. As this engine is working on Otto cycle, I can write this air standard efficiency is Otto. I have to find this air standard efficiency of Otto cycle. Okay. Solution. This is Vs, this volume is swept volume and this volume is clearance volume. Okay. Now we have to find first the Vs, this swept volume. Now we know the swept volume is this volume, so if this diameter of the piston diameter of piston, considering this is D. So area will be pi by 4 into D square. The area of this piston, this is area of the piston. So what is this swept volume? This volume will be area into this stroke length. This stroke length is considering this is L. So this will be area A into L, area of the piston into this stroke length. So what is A is pi by 4 into D square into this L. So this L is this value will come 3.14 by 4 into diameter is given, that is 17.5 whole square into L, that is 25. This value will come 6010.156 centimeter cube. Now V1, first find the V1. V1 is this volume up to that. If it is 0, then up to this volume, this is V1. This is V1, total volume. So this V1 equals to, first this V2 plus swept volume, this volume. So this clearance volume, I am writing further, this is total volume and this equals to clearance volume plus swept volume so clearance volume is given, that is clearance volume, this is V2 and the swept volume is written as Vs. So I can write V2 is given, that is 1475 and this Vs, which is 6010.156 and this value will come 7485.156 centimeter cube. Now we have to find compression ratio RK. This value is V1 by V2. So I can write V1 is 7485.156 and V2, we know this is V2, this is V2 1475, so 1475, this value will come 5.074. Now we know this Otto cycle efficiency formula is 1 minus 1 by RK gamma minus 1 and this gamma equals to 1.4. Okay, so you can write 1 minus 1 by this RK value is 5.074 and this is gamma, that is 1.4 minus 1. This value will come 1 minus 1 by 1.914. This is 1 minus 0.522 equals to 0.478 equals to 47.8%. This is the answer. Now next problem is writing problem 2. A diesel engine has a compression ratio of 14 and cutoff takes place at 6% of the stroke. Now, given data, the compression ratio of 14, that is RK, is given, that is 14, and cutoff take place, that is cut off takes place at 6% of the stroke. 6% of stroke, that is 6% of cutoff, that is 6% of stroke, that is swept volume, that is 6% of swept volume. Okay. Now what is this? This is the diesel cycle, and this is the diesel cycle. This diesel cycle. This volume, that is the piston can move here to here. So up to this volume is cutoff volume. Okay. Now we can write this 6% of Vs, that is this total volume is Vs, and this volume, this to this, is 6% of this total volume, this swept volume. So this volume Vc, you can write Vc is the 6% of Vs. Now we have to calculate the air standard efficiency of this engine. That is, we have to find the efficiency of diesel engine. Efficiency of the diesel cycle we have to find. As Rk is given is 14, which is, what is Rk? That is V1 by V2. So I can write this V1 equals to 14 V2. And what is V3? V3 is this is V3, this is V3, from this 0 to this is 0 to this point is V3. So you can see that this is V2 clearance volume plus cutoff volume. Okay, so this value is V2 plus this volume Vc, that is Vc cutoff volume. So I can write this is V2, and what is Vc? Vc is given is 6% of Vs. So this equals to 6% of Vs. So I can write this is V2 plus 0.06 into Vs is V1 minus V2. Already we know Vs, that is sweat volume, is V1 minus V2. So further I can write V2 plus 0.06 into, what is V1? V1 is 14 V2 minus V2. So I can write this one will be 1.78 V2. Now we can find RC. RC is V3 by V2. This value will come 1.78 V2 by this V2. So this will come 1.78. Now we got Rk and Rc. So we can find efficiency of diesel engine. This formula of this efficiency of diesel cycle is 1 by Rk gamma minus 1 into 1 by gamma into Rc gamma minus 1 Rc minus 1. This formula is 1 minus 1 by Rk gamma minus 1 into 1 by gamma into Rc gamma minus 1 by Rc minus 1. So I can write this 1 minus 1 by Rk is 14 and this gamma value is 1.4 minus 1 into 1 by gamma is 1.4 into Rc is obtained is 1.78 gamma, that is 1.4 and minus 1, and this is Rc, so 1.78 minus 1. So I can write this 1 minus this value will come 1 by 2.873 into 1 by 1.4 into this value is 1.241 and this is 0.78. This value will come 0.60443, that is 60.443%.